In this video, I'll show you how to set 1-inch margins in Google Docs. If you need your document to follow a standard layout, 1-inch margins are one of the most common settings. Google's official help says that on a computer, you can change margins from File, then Page Setup, as long as the document is in Pages format. In that Page Setup window, Google includes a margins section where you can enter your own measurements. To do it, first open your Google Docs file on a computer. Then click File at the top and choose Page Setup. At the top of the Page Setup box, make sure Pages is selected. After that, find the Margins section. You will see boxes for the top, bottom, left, and right margins. Type 1 into each box so every side is set to 1 inch. Then click OK to apply the changes. If you want all future documents to use the same margin settings, Google Docs may also show a set as default option in that same Page Setup window. That can be useful if you regularly create school, papers, reports, or business documents that need 1-inch margins every time. Here is one important detail. The margin setting appears in Pages format. Google's official help for desktop says the Page Setup dialog lets you choose Pages at the top and then adjust margins there. So if you do not see margin controls right away, check that your document is using Pages and not Pageless. Now let's talk about mobile. Google's official Android help page for Page Setup lists options like orientation, paper size, and page color. But it does not list margins there. Recent Google Docs community guidance also says margin adjustment is currently available on desktop, not in the mobile app. So if you need exact 1-inch margins, the most reliable way is to open the document on a computer and change them there. So that's how to set 1-inch margins in Google Docs. Open your file on a computer, go to File, then Page Setup, make sure Pages is selected, and enter one for the top, bottom, left, and right margins. Once you click OK, your document will be set up with standard 1-inch margins all around. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.